Hey, welcome back to my channel. Come join me as I make delicious creamy butter chicken that's full of flavor and super easy to make. Let's get started. I cut up 3 pieces of chicken breasts into cubes and marinated overnight using curry powder, garlic and ginger paste, Greek yogurt, paprika, black pepper, cayenne pepper, turmeric powder, coriander powder, salt, and garam masala. Oil up your pan and fry the chicken until it's lightly browned. This adds amazing flavor. Since I had a bit to go through, I did it in 2 batches. Avoid overcrowding your pan. As your chicken is browning, go ahead and chop your onions into big chunks. For my case, I'm using 3 onions. You can use as many as you wish. Before I started cooking butter chicken, I used to think it was such a difficult dish to master since it had so many ingredients. But ever since I started cooking from home, I gave it a try and found it very simple. I just customized it to my liking with the spices that I liked and had in my pantry. And so you too can customize your own butter chicken. It's actually very simple to make, as you can see. We now add our chopped onion into the same pan that we used for cooking our chicken. And of course, we need to add the butter. Sweat the onions for a few minutes before adding your roughly chopped tomatoes. I'm also adding some cashew nuts. You do not need to add this. You can do away with this, especially if you're allergic. And the reasons why we're adding the cashews is to enhance the texture, taste, and the richness of our dish. Now go in with all of the spices that you used for marinating your chicken. And in no particular order, I have started with garlic and ginger paste, followed by curry powder. And you can just estimate everything to your liking, of course. Garam masala, turmeric powder, paprika, coriander powder, cayenne pepper, just a bit of it, black pepper, salt to taste, and now mix everything together. Now add a bit of water, then cover it up and let the mixture simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes on a medium to low heat until everything becomes nice and mushy, as you can see. Now go ahead and turn off the heat and transfer everything into a container. Now go ahead and blend until you get a fine puree. Be careful as you open the blender, since due to pressure buildup inside, it may explode. As you can see. Since this is a one-pan recipe, pour everything back into the pan that you are using. Turn on the stove to a low heat. Add in your butter. Cream. And your chicken. And I added a little bit of water. You don't have to. Let it simmer for a few minutes. So I prefer adding sugar to my butter chicken. You can do the same, or you can do without it, or you can add other spices if you like. You can customize your butter chicken to however you like. Now to my favorite part, which I believe it's yours too, which is plating and eating. So today I prefer having my butter chicken with mashed potatoes and chapati. Tell me in the comments, do you prefer having your butter chicken with rice or with naan? Or which other side dish do you prefer having it with? Look at that rich texture and the consistency. Just beautiful to watch. A taste of heaven. Delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to MalaikaSiaCooks. See you in my next video.